right? So it's better if we use it like this. Kann ich euch zur Party bringen? Euch.
Okay.
That means you plural. We are using two people here, which names are given. So we can also make it in they. Like, can I bring them to our party? It's also fine. But it's like, can I bring you both to the party? Yeah. So it's you both will also go here. But then also I'll go with Z. Not a problem. Normally, why I'll tell you why the oish is given here and why oish is the answer, because people, they normally don't use oish. It's like we don't even use it, and people, they even forget that oish karke bhi kuch hota hai. That's why it's normally जब दो लोगों का नाम दे रखा है, so we better use it. अगर यहाँ पे z करके दिया रहता, like अगर they करके रहता कि sie haben keine Zeit, yeah, like they don't have time, so kann ich them, can I bring them to, better would have been z. But तब यहाँ पे दो नाम दे रखा है, Matteo and Sarah, so better is कि we use the informal you plural for two persons, euch. Are you getting me why euch?
I did not get it.
Okay. What is euch? First of all, you need to tell me what is euch. I told you informal you singular is do, right? And this sentence has two people, right? Sarah and Matteo. So these are not singular. These are two people.
Yes.
So when are two people, so we can use it for you both. Can I bring you both to the party? Now, अच्छा, okay. इसको इस तरह समझो कि Sarah and Matteo, they also have time. So can I bring you both to the party? Which one is more suitable? Can I bring them to the party or can I bring you to the party?
Could you repeat the
Which one
sentence?
is? Okay, it says Sarah and Matteo, they also have time. Like, नहीं ना यहाँ पे they लाएंगे तो फिर them better होगा. It would be Sarah and Matteo have time. Sarah and Matteo. And the question is, can I bring them to the party or can I bring you both to the party? Which is a more correct thing? You let me know, then I'll pick up the one as an answer. Can I bring them to the party or can I bring you both to the party?
Can I bring them to the party?
Okay, but imagine if I am talking to Sana and Ashwin, right? For example, I'm talking to Sana and Ashwin and I'm saying that, okay, you also have time for tomorrow. Can I take you to the party? Can I take you both to the party? So what I would use, I would never use them, right? Because them is like I'm talking to a third person about you. But if I'm talking to you both, what I would use? Can I take you to both to the party?
Ma'am, then in this case, this is correct. But you were saying the sentence that Sarah and Matteo have time. So then,
Yeah.
you're not talking
Yeah,
to
so
them.
there are that's why I gave two answers, right? Because I also said Samriddhi, that's okay, Z is fine. But you need to understand it the other way, other possible, that why it could be Oish as well. Oish has two things right here. If I tell it like this, that Sana and Ashwin has time, can I bring them to the party? So that them has, so we would definitely use Z. But if I'm talking to Sana and Ashwin, that are Sana and Ashwin, you both have time. Can I bring you both to the party? So can I bring you both? Then for you both, which word we're gonna use here for pronoun? Oish, then Oish, right? So this sentence can be made in two ways depending upon which is the thing or which is like what I would say the base we are taking. Are we taking the base of the third person, that I am talking about Sana and Ashwin to somebody, that okay, I am talking to Samriddhi, that Samriddhi, Sana and Ashwin, they also have time. Can I bring them to the party? So then I would definitely use Z, that which Samriddhi said. So I didn't tell her that she's incorrect. She's also right. But just to make you understand that why should we use Oish in case as well. So if I am talking to you both, that Sana and Ashwin, can I take you both to the party? So in this case, we have to use the plural form of you, that is Oish, in the pronoun. Now clear? Two cases?
Not much,
Yeah.
actually, because you just said the sentence Sarah and Matteo have time. So ma'am,
Yeah.
it does not mean you're talking to them. It is also possible that you're talking to the third person and telling that yeah, they both have time.
Yeah. So that's why two examples I gave you, one with Z, one with Oish.
Ma'am, then which one is correct in this case?
Both. Like you can write both in here. Both in here would go. But you need to understand that for two people, we can have two conditions. This is what I'm saying. I'm not talking about the right and wrong here. I told Samriddhi you are also correct, and those who have written Oish, if you have not written Oish, then also it's correct.
Okay.
Because, okay, if I go into a more deeper thing, then myth bringen jo hota hai, this is a verb which we normally use in second person case. क्या तुम साथ चलोगे? We never say third person कि क्या हमें उनको साथ ले आए, क्योंकि अगर उनको साथ ले आए होता तो it would have been kann sie auch mitkommen. Mitkommen and mitbringen, two very different verbs, and you are not to that level जहाँ पे मैं आपको verb की difference बता सकूं. That's why मैं दोनों ही case में यहाँ पे agree कर रही हूँ कि अगर मैं सना और अश्विन से बात करूंगी तो I would use oish. If I will talk to Samriddhi about Sana and Ashwin, then I would use them. Now is it clear, Sana?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. German is sometimes little, I would say, how would I say it? Because I've been in the same, path. I've heard that I have been in the position, yeah, wherein I used to make circle. I don't know, understand. I don't know what is this. So it happens. But right now, keep it the answer as Z and Oish both.
Z, which Z will be
Small, क्योंकि formal Z होगा नहीं, because they are talking about their friends, right? So formal Z will have no thing here. It is Z. Samriddhi, I think you told me formal Z. That is wrong. Revati, you said I think you told me small Z. That's correct. Them wala Z would be go formal. It won't go here. Okay, now it says wo seid ihr? Yeah, where are they both? Ich kann dash nicht sehen. Ich kann.
Z. Z, here is
Okay, understand the question. It is asking, for example, again, I'm taking the same example. If Sana and Ashwin are there, I'm calling, okay, hi Sana, where are you both? I cannot see them or I cannot see you both.
yes, ma'am. Use it will be Oish.
I cannot see you both, right? So Oish, yeah, this is you need to understand. This is something that would come with time. So the last answer is Oish, because it says wo seid ihr, where are you both? So the answer will come in second person, that yeah, ich kann euch nicht sehen. I cannot see you both. So this has to be in the second person. It will not go to the third person. Them नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे. Yeah. So to make it more easier, fourth का आंसर Z रखते हैं, ऑयश वाले पार्ट पे नहीं जाते. Let's take it कि हमने थर्ड पर्सन को ही ये किया है, बेटर होगा. फिर जब मिड ब्रिंग एंड मिड कॉमन का हम थोड़े when we'll talk about it more briefly, probably in A2, then we can have a more clear discussion about it. Now is another time. So what do you think? Is this clear, or brauchen Sie noch etwas für praxis? Do you need something more for practice?
It's clear.
Klar? Okay. Beta Markle Z. Okay, 9. Yeah, this F number, and this if you can do, then it will be clear. Yeah. So F wala bhi visible hai book mein. So do number F. There is messages given here. Question, answer, question, answer, question, answer. So you have to fill in these messages with the correct personal pronomen. Do it. I'll not help you with any example because मैं दे दूंगी तो फिर आप लोग के लिए question नहीं बचेगा. So better is you do it yourself. Hi Frida, gehen wir morgen essen? Ich lade dash ein. तो अब इसका आंसर है the gray part. Ja, gern. 20 Uhr im Café Jojo. Ruf dash an. So what's gonna be the pronoun here that you need to think and write, and then we can discuss.
Laden.
Einladen, to invite. Trennwären wo?
Yes.
Einladen. Friend Baron.
With fewer, it will always be accusative.
With fear, and also with the accusative verbs. These verbs sehen, besuchen, abholen, mitbringen, again sehen. These all are accusative verbs. So this all will
But
take
in
the
those
article,
verbs, there
the
will always be
pronoun.
two objects, or there will be
What?
subject and an object. This abholen, mitbringen, all of them, there are two objects.
Objects. What is
As in,
object?
I bring beer. So I and beer is there. In Fjord, there's only one,
Yeah.
like Fjord dish. So how is Fjord accusative? I don't understand.
Wait. Ashwini, you're mixing two things. I told you that a sentence can be accusative for a various of reasons. First thing we have to see that is the sentence carrying an object or not. If the sentence will carry an object, this will become accusative, right? But fear is an accusative preposition.
Okay.
Fear is an accusative preposition. For fear, you need not to look for any object. किसी भी sentence में, if a sentence is containing the word fear, then that sentence has to be accusative.
Okay.
In that sentence, do not look for any objects. I told you there are several ways to tell that what if the sentence is there, then why it is accusative. The first reason I told you, the recognition, we can do on the basis of subject and object. The second thing comes with the basis of preposition, that's a fear. And third thing comes with the verben, which are accusative verben, which are dative verben. So fear is a preposition thing. It's a preposition. It's not an object, or you don't have to look for objects here. Yeah, sure. Yeah, so don't mix two things. Pure is accusative preposition. And we also we need to look for accusative objects. If we don't have anything in the sentence, then we have to look for objects. That is it an object, like does the sentence carrying a subject and object, then we'll make it accusative. So two things, two different things.